At International Truck, we're here to listen.
Keep me on the road and making money.
Give me a lightweight package to haul more.
I want an easier way to stay connected and manage my fleet.
I need access to parts when and where I need them.
I think a lot about the future. I want a partner who's thinking about it too.
International isn't afraid of asking tough questions or hearing the truth, because we know we'll be better for it. We know that for you, easier is always best. We understand that getting better requires hard work, and we're willing to do what it takes for you to win, and that you only get paid when your trucks are moving. When we make promises, we deliver. Listen, understand, deliver. That's our promise to you.